The Ratchet and Clank series began in 2002 on the PlayStation 2. And here are the MINIMATES versions of Ratchet and Clank. Fun, posable, collectible action figures that you can place on your desk, workstation, or nightstand if you can't bear to be away from Ratchet and Clank. Here's the close-up detail on Ratchet, a Lombax. He comes with a couple different weapons, and his earpiece, headpiece, whatever that thing is, comes off. And there's a spot to put the little backpack version of Clank on his back. Fans of the series will no doubt recognize all of the detailing on Ratchet. Can you get a pet Lombax? Check it out on screen now. It's Clank, who, according to the package, serves as Ratchet's moral and logical compass. Hey, nice tail. Here's Clank on his back, and let's continue to admire the detail. So there you have it, the Ratchet and Clank MINIMATES. What happens if your moral compass loses his morality?